Hello there. Today is Thursday, January 25. So it says on this one 2018. We're in Dallas, right? I just want to show you what I just sold today. So let me just sold this. I just sold this. It's right here, the Sanyo M9935K. It plays. Let's see here. So. That plays. Of course, it rewinds. And let's stop forwards. And it plays again. Stop. And then, of course, we got the radio.
Cadillac of Arlington. Find luxury, performance, and value.
And look what I found at Walmart today. Can you imagine? I found one of these at Walmart here. So this one here, let's see here. I hit record, and I flip it to, let's see here, flip it to stereo, or radio. Let's see here. Radio.
Your work spouse. Exactly. Yes, 2719 for CTS. No security deposit with approved credit.
Of course, I'm recording on this side here, which is the what is it? Let me flip it around so I can talk into this side here, which is the tuning in side. Okay, so there, I'm recording on the tape, recorded off the radio. Hit stop. Let me rewind. Play.
Yes, 2719 for CTS. No security deposit with approved credit.
There it is, working like that. So let me just walk up here and give you an idea as to alright, now I'm holding the camera. So here's what I've sold today, and let's see here. How do I do this? I don't know. I've never done this before. I thought this is amazing to find this here. Let's see here. So if we hit play. Of course, I'm recording on this side here, which is the what end is it? I don't know what end. Let me flip it around so I can talk into this side here, which is the what is this? The tuning in side. Okay, so there, I'm recording on the tape. All right, so it records, it plays. Let's see here. I guess let me just move it around here like this, and take this tape out of here that I just recorded. So eject that and put it back into this one here, and eject that. Let's play this in here real quick, just so you know it works. So wait, let me fast forward it a bit. You see it? Let's see here. Fast forward. Yeah, there we go. And hit play. Let's go a bit more. Okay, so hit play. Alright, I don't want to sell that, but so that works like that, alright? And then back over here, same tape. See here, so hit play. The radio. It's rolling along really nicely. And then if we flip it to radio. Oh wait, let's rewind that a bit. Okay, so hit play. Radio is here. Alright. Your work spouse. Exactly. So that's the radio. Wait. Play again. Put it around so I can talk into this side here, which is the what is this? The tuning in side. Okay. So there, I'm recording on the tape. Recorded off the radio. See, it's rolling along really nicely. All right. And then if we flip it to radio. Okay, so I'm having too much fun out here. Thank you very much, sir, for buying this Sanyo M9935 from me. I have one more for sale, and that's all I know. And like I said, it's amazing what you can find at Walmart these days. In case you didn't see it, there's Walmart. Goodbye. Thank you. Good day. Hope you enjoyed.